Hi, my name is Yurii Vasylkiv. I'm a founder and CEO of Eleteria Inc, Canadian-based tech startup focusing on delivering automations for business solutions with a particular focus on R&D projects. Our R&D projects are primarily focused on ecosystem of management IoT devices deployed globally. And the technologies that are used include AWS Stack, Node.js, and Python. One of the biggest challenges we had was fragmented development across multiple teams and lack of expertise in deployments and structuring the development cycles. From the very beginning, we didn't exactly know who we were looking for, but we were offered enough expertise and also full ownership of the end results. That was very important because we wanted to make sure that we can focus on the predictable and clear outcomes. I think, in my opinion, relevant software has a lot of agency. They're very autonomous. They ask direct questions. They don't get blocked just because they didn't receive some answers. Very proactive. I think we had a very smooth collaboration and real progress where we don't have to do no guesswork. We don't have to micromanage anyone. Everything is done in this perfect partnership dynamic. I think the biggest problem has been related to processes and strategy forming. We had a lot of difficulty with aligning roadmaps across teams and building some concrete processes for smooth collaboration and smooth delivery. But at the same time, there was also a big problem in deployment area, as there was no real DevOps engineering in the entire project or even cross projects. So that was definitely a major improvement, and that's a relevant offer to us. Well, if you're working on complex projects or R&D heavy products, it's important that you find someone who has a real world experience in tackling those complex dependencies and complex requirements that constantly changing, especially that's relevant to R&D. You have to find a team that is able to combine all these complex requirements into a working blueprint, which isn't easy to find. They are sharp, proactive, and actually care about the outcome. I think that's very important. And having a deep tech expertise combined with excellent project management is the key to success, given that there's enough expertise and real world experience, which relevant software does have. I think we're definitely looking to establish them as a long-term partner. There are more projects coming up that we have in our timeline, and considering that we've been working for a couple of years together, our partnership has grown and collaboration has strengthened, and I don't see how that changes in the opposite direction in the coming years.